Hello and welcome to today's video. Hope you are doing well. Today, summer has arrived. I mean, look at that sunshine. I think we need to do a loop of Anglesey because it's been a while. Let's go. Welcome to the Menai. Say hi, Wick.
Hello.
We've just launched and the tide is just going out. As you can see, the cars are parked just over there. It's time for a loop of Anglesey. What time are we on? It is 20 past 2. We had to wait a little bit for the tide to go out because the car park was just covered in water, and we don't like putting cars in water because they dissolve in salt water. So yeah, it's turning out to be a nice day. Let's go have a look at the swellies. Right, I'm going to show you a little trick that I don't know if I've shown you before. It's only certain tides you can do this. In fact, don't do this. It's stupid.
That's why we're doing it.
That's why we're doing it, yeah. Basically, you have got the South Cardinal in the bang in the middle of the swellies. And the tide is flowing towards Carnarvon. So if you put the camera over there, we're going to ferry glide. Ferry gliding, by the way, is holding the boat in position against the tide. But what we're going to do is to make a submarine effect. So when I take my throttle off, that post will look like a submarine. Hopefully on camera. Let's find out. So I'll let me throttle off now and just watch it. Does that look like a submarine or what? I mean, look how fast we're moving. Awesome. Let's stick it that way.
Awesome.
Let's head towards Carnarvon. What do you reckon?
Let's do this.
One game over. Bye.
Selena, hello, Coast Guard, channel 16, over. Hello, Coast Guard, this is Selena, over. Selena, this is Holly Coast Guard, not sure if you copied comms. So we've got the vessel at Tudor Rose proceeding to your position about 15 minutes out.
That was the boathouse to Plasnewith. I'm actually going to call this trip the things that you shouldn't be doing. But I'm showing you so you don't have to. Don't do it. Welcome to Loon Island. It's a beautiful little bay off the beach of Newbury. And it's only an island when it's high tide, but it's very religious. So we may burn going in here. Sorry. But it's a respectful place. What are you laughing at? just past Loon Island. So facing this way, you think we're in the middle of nowhere. Facing that way, that's all we see. And if you listen carefully, I don't know whether this will pick it up, you can hear a horn either off a lighthouse or a boat, just to warn you that there's something there, basically. This is like Jurassic Park. Welcome to South Stack, not that you can see it much. And that's what's making the noise. Mad, isn't it? That's mad. I'm sure just around the corner it's going to clear up.
I hope so. I'm soaked.
Yeah, we're absolutely soaked. Going through the fog. It's worse than rain. Look, I mean, look at us. Sweat
Soaked.
back hair.
Soaked.
Who needs the hairdressers?
Yeah.
Right, onwards. So, third thing what not to do is to come round Anglesey in the fog. You ever seen anything like it? Not every day you see a jack-up rig.